Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic: why you should hire only a professional to change your transmission. Stay tuned for valuable insights, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more expert automotive advice. Let's get started. When it comes to changing your transmission, it's crucial to hire a professional. Why? Because your transmission is a complex and vital component of your vehicle, and any mishandling can lead to costly repairs and safety issues. In this video, we will explore the reasons why entrusting this task to a skilled and experienced professional is the smartest decision you can make. From their in-depth knowledge of transmissions to their access to specialized tools and equipment, professionals possess the expertise needed to ensure a smooth and reliable transmission change. Don't take chances with such a critical part of your vehicle. Let's look into why hiring a professional is the way to go. Importance of hiring a professional for transmission change. When it comes to getting your transmission changed, it is crucial to hire a professional. Attempting to handle this complex task yourself or entrusting it to an inexperienced individual can lead to costly mistakes and further damage to your vehicle. We will explore the various reasons why hiring a professional for transmission change is of paramount importance. Expertise and experience. A professional technician possesses the necessary expertise and experience to effectively handle transmission changes. They have undergone rigorous training, acquired specialized knowledge, and gained hands-on experience in dealing with various transmission systems. Their expertise allows them to understand the complexities of transmission components, ensuring a precise and accurate diagnosis. Proper diagnosis and assessment. One of the key advantages of hiring a professional for transmission change is their ability to conduct a proper diagnosis and assessment. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools and equipment that enable them to identify any underlying issues accurately. By pinpointing the root cause of the problem, they can provide a tailored solution and prevent unnecessary replacements or repairs. Quality workmanship. Professional technicians pride themselves on delivering quality workmanship. They adhere to industry standards and manufacturer specifications when replacing or repairing transmissions. Their meticulous attention to detail ensures that the job is done right the first time, minimizing the risk of future complications. Additionally, they use high-quality replacement parts, ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your transmission. Warranty and guarantees. Another notable benefit of hiring a professional for transmission change is the warranty and guarantees they offer. Reputable automotive service providers often provide warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind and protection against any unexpected issues that may arise after the transmission change. This demonstrates their confidence in their workmanship and their commitment to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, entrusting your transmission change to a professional is crucial for a seamless and reliable process. Their expertise, proper diagnosis, commitment to quality workmanship, and warranties provide reassurance that your vehicle is in safe hands. So, rather than risking costly mistakes or potential damage, it is wise to hire a professional technician for your transmission change needs. Potential risks of DIY transmission change. Changing a transmission is a complex task that requires specialized knowledge and expertise. While some people may be tempted to attempt a DIY transmission change to save money, it is important to understand the potential risks involved. In this section, we will explore 3 significant risks that DIYers may face: lack of knowledge and experience, damage to the vehicle, and safety concerns. Lack of knowledge and experience. One of the primary risks of attempting a DIY transmission change is the lack of professional knowledge and experience. Changing a transmission involves intricate procedures, precise adjustments, and a thorough understanding of the system's components. Without proper knowledge and experience, there is a high chance of making critical errors that could lead to further damage or even render the vehicle inoperable. Damage to vehicle. Another significant risk of DIY transmission changes is the potential for causing damage to the vehicle. A transmission is a sensitive and intricate component that interacts with various other parts of the vehicle's engine and drivetrain. Mishandling any step of the transmission change process, such as improper removal or installation, incorrect torque specifications, or improper fluid levels, can result in irreversible damage to the transmission itself or other engine components. This could lead to expensive repairs or even the need for a complete replacement. Safety concerns. One should not overlook the safety concerns associated with DIY transmission changes. Working underneath a vehicle, supporting and maneuvering heavy transmission components, and dealing with potentially hazardous fluids can be dangerous without proper safety precautions and equipment. Transmission fluid, for instance, is toxic and can cause skin irritation or other health issues if mishandled. Additionally, improper handling or installation of the transmission can compromise the vehicle's performance, leading to safety hazards while driving. It is crucial to prioritize safety and entrust the task of changing a transmission to a professional with the necessary expertise and experience. A professional technician not only possesses the knowledge needed to perform the job correctly but also has access to specialized tools and equipment to ensure a safe and proper transmission change. Remember, attempting a DIY transmission change may seem like a cost-effective solution initially, but the potential risks involved can lead to more significant expenses and safety concerns in the long run. It is always best to rely on a professional for this complex automotive task. Stay tuned for more informative content, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for Part 2 and other valuable insights. Thank you for watching.